guys. It's 8:42. I'm running just a little bit late, but we're on our way to Nate's house, or I'm on my way to Nate's house, and we're gonna be taking the Savalanche out for some mudding. So I'm super excited. Stay tuned, and we'll get you with some fun action today. The old Savalanche. Look at this old thing. Woo! Get a nice walk around of the old Savalanche here.
You can see a lot more dents in it now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's been abused. So at this point we noticed the floorboard was getting really hot, and we were getting a lot of exhaust fumes in the cab because the passenger side had a hole in it, so we had to pull over and check it out and make sure it didn't catch fire.
Holy fuck, that's hot.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man.
Oh.
That's why I was worried about it catching fire. The old Savalanche. Alright, Nate, what are we doing today and where are we going?
Today, going up to Middle St. Vrain in Colorado.
Fuck yeah.
Should be a pretty good trail, a lot of water, a lot of mud. Perfect for the Savalanche.
She's gonna prevail. Oh man, it's pretty slow down, brother.
Summertime is here.
Smoking like, oh my god, bro. Oh yeah, that motherfucker is hot, bro.
How's the water feel?
It's actually pretty good.
It's pretty cold?
No, not too bad. Or maybe we're just so hot.
Alright.
The Avalanche before GM made the Avalanche.
Yeah. We did it for them, or you did it for them. Oh yeah. I think if we put a little angle on it, we get some downforce too, you know what I mean? We get like a little wing.
Yeah. Alright, first time, Taylor's time driving the Savalanche. Right, first time?
First time.
First time.
My first time driving the Savalanche, baby, woo!
We will report back on how shitty it is. So far, what do you think?
It's super shitty, but that's what I love about it. It's the shittiest time available, but also the best time at the same time.
Uh-oh, we got speed limits up here. Yep. There's what, 700 bucks gets you. A lot of fun. Alright, town of biking. And all the looks that we're getting. Out the back window.
That's incredible. I don't think I've ever seen one up close. And you're gonna ride them up there? Up the trail?
No, they're just carrying.
Oh, gotcha, okay.
You don't ride them, they just carry stuff.
Just carry your stuff. It's like a pack mule. What are you gonna do? What pressure?
I'm gonna go for 18.
18.
So we can still drive home.
Fair enough. Here she comes in all of her glory. Is this my Uber?
Hell yeah, hop on in. Where are you going?
All right, let's go hit it.
Rough road ahead. High clearance 4x4 only.
Oh, is that what this is?
I think we have a high clearance 4x4 equipped vehicle.
This is such a rough start. Just huge rocks.
More high shit.
You know the Savalanche can do it like it's nothing. Found some skinny little boggers too, man. Woo! I think you're on the dip. Woo! There we go.
High clearance. If you don't have high clearance, you use a lot of throttle. Rerun our stuff here, man.
Self-closing system.
Go for it.
That's impressive for the Savalanche. Oh my god. Bro. You're gonna get frame. You're gonna get... I told you you're gonna hit frame.
Right here. I was gonna say either that rock or this tree, honestly. Alright, gotta ask the viewers this question. That Jeep in front of us is $60,000, $70,000, go on a guess. This thing that we're in, $1,000. A few hours worth of work. Which one would you have more fun in though? That's the question. What do you think?
What's all done to this thing? Besides the obvious of the Savalanche, you know, convertibility, I guess.
Okay, good point. So mods done to this is I put some skid bars under the frame in case you got high centered like we did earlier. It doesn't tear up the cross members.
Okay.
And I welded the rear axle together so it's a solid rear end welded together. That's it for mods.
Doesn't sound that bad to me. But I mean, I guess you could spend that much on a Jeep.
100 series will hold up, not as tough.
I don't even like Chevys either. Like, I've never been a Chevy guy, but I think the 90s, the late 90s and the early 2000s Chevys, 3/4 ton or 1 ton chassis are just, they don't fucking die. They go and they go and they go until you trash them, I guess. You take them to the junkyard. And then a guy like him comes by and takes it and makes it fucking badass. Go for it. pop a beat, I'ma slap you. What the fuck? Dumbass.
It's a submersible Savalanche. What's that term they use when you can go on land and water?
It is beautiful out here. Look at this. It's pretty nice. Can't complain.
Look at idiot. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh.
We're in a little bit of a tight dead end here.
Just a wee bit. Oh yeah, bud. Give her a love tap.
Well, we were at Camp Dick, so I wonder if this is Lake Dick or Dick Lake. Not really sure.
Outside of it.
Oh yeah.
Kind of washed it off.
Yeah. It honestly you got a lot of it.
It did?
Yeah, I feel like it.
I did get a lot of it off. You had to do the fucking boost and launch.
Oh god. Oh fuck, that was sick. Damn, I got fucking covered, man.